weather over here. We are actually looking in case these are going to be good storm system. And also, there's right now there's like a tornado warning. Now, like there's two so far because of this big valve system. There's going to be lots of cave, and these cave values going to be value lots of very high numbers going on right now. Because we also need to keep an eye on like tropical system. Inside the dark red, there's lots of system show you you say like that, show you in case maybe there's gonna be tropical system on the 18th. Who knows when it is? Used to be going had a Texas, now the models going back to Florida again. Yeah, I was saying there's gonna be a lot of vorticity because that spin, okay, maybe like a tropical system. Maybe it could be like a bill or not. Who knows what'll happen going on this system. And also, it was that storm event going on right now, and we're going to go back to the tropical system and maybe like wildfire event going on right now. Because I was saying, because the maybe like slight risk or moderate risk, and maybe like thunderstorm going on right now. And also maybe like 15% and 5% chance of hail, and also 5% into DC Alley, and a half percent in Oklahoma and a Texas, and more likely in a Mississippi, Alabama, and also lots of other factoring. We also need to keep it on. Maybe there's gonna be a low wind shear inside that because go get maybe around it, maybe a little bit stronger because who knows what'll happen. This like one barrel bar low pressure like 1001 well going to happen or not. Because in any case, because also other factors also, because who knows what'll happening. And also maybe there's gonna be like fire going on maybe in New Mexico and a part of Mexico or slash New Mexico going on right now. It's just crazy this season. It's just hot and dry and it is. It will eventually get more drier and drier, and then it's going to get wetter. Then it's going to be big dry and wet and dry because the fire additionally in the system, because we need to keep an eye on it going in case it will develop into huge wildfire season. Who knows what's going on also, because we also need to keep an eye on this today event also, because right now in the like at maybe like at around 3 p.m. there's still gonna be maybe good addition for the supercells and also other things. Maybe at 8 there's gonna be a good, but then at 7, 8 slowing down, then slowly will come back up and slow it down, and then going to be coming back up on 11 p.m. then it's slowly going down. over day. Because this cape, I already told you at this, we need also need to keep and also the wind shear. So it's gonna be maybe grades or not. Gonna be depends on the day going to happen. We need to keep eye on it for this season. In case it will develop. In case it will, we need to keep eye on it. The dew points also going increasing or not. Who knows? Who knows will fly back? Cause who knows what will happen in the 3 days? Cause also there's going to be other because the water station going increasing and also decreasing in the west coast region. Because and also maybe Texas going to dry a little bit over on like the 3 days on June 9th, maybe a little bit. Then well, hopefully we don't know what's going on. We need to keep on these storms going battle. Super cell or not. Maybe drop like supercells hail in case these storms going on over time. Because in case we'll battle. Because we need to keep on it because there's already been like right now there's already been right now latest update. Now there's 3 tornadoes warning. You know, by the Tennessee Alley part. This wind event could maybe more likely, who knows what will happen, maybe there's gonna be a chance of severe hail over these days. Who knows what's going on the radar. We need to keep an eye on it in case it will battle. Because there's lots of dew points going increasing and decreasing potentially for thunderstorms going on. And also maybe there's gonna be still leftover temperature because this heat really hides around 100 degrees and it goes cooler and we go back to warmer these days. Maybe around in Texas will be 102 one point at around at Texas at maybe East Coast time zone because at 6 p.m. because Texas is going to get like 102 degrees Fahrenheit because that's really hot and who knows what's going on with that because in case in case who knows what's going on. Hopefully you enjoyed my video.